Welcome to 7910 Greeley Boulevard. We've got a lot of fine features in this home, so come on in and, well, before we go in, come on over and take a look at the first feature. This is our front porch, nice and covered, plenty of room for seating. You can sit out front. Here we go. We're in this house, which is a nice place to greet people. We also have the upgraded door with the lights in it, so that you'll see rainbows all around the room when it's sunny out. We have the 6-foot closet here, super space for storing all of your coats, etc. And it's all hard surfaces in this house. There is no carpet, so you're gonna love that. Come on upstairs. So this is the living room, dining room, kitchen area. We have a beautiful picture window, faces south, huge rooms. Got the wood burning fireplace here. Here's the dining room. You can see 6, 8, however many people you want to. All the fixtures in the house, the doors and the door handles and light fixtures are all the brushed nickel. Upgraded with GFI outlets, rocker switches, all 3-prong grounded outlets everywhere, so don't worry about that in this age home. All right, we have your 1960s kitchen. There you go. The refrigerator and the dishwasher are about 2 years old, stainless steel. You do have cooktop and wall oven. I love this feature. When you bring your groceries home, they're just 4 steps from your car, your covered carports, into your kitchen. Also look up on the carports and you'll see that there's extra storage up there for your camping gear. This pantry makes this small kitchen very workable. And we have some options for you. You can check online and you can see that we can offer you a brand new kitchen with an open wall if that's something that you want. All the hardwood floors were polished about 2 years ago. We're going a mixture of retro and modern. We have the retro vanity and then the new energy saver toilet with a double flush, the marble floor. These nice heavy doors on the bedrooms for extra privacy. And here in the master bedroom we have the 5-piece king-size bed set, so it will all fit in here. Again, the floors are polished. 2 windows in this room. You can overlook the very private backyard. And here we are. Here's a brand new bathroom, all Carrara marble, the frameless shower door, the double flush toilet, the hanging vanity, you know, the whole wall mirror. We don't even have the light bulbs in yet. And then here's your medicine cabinet. So we'll go take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. We have a nice big linen closet. And this is bedroom number 3, actually. Good sized room. Again, we have 5 pieces of furniture, queen size bed. This one looks to the front of the house. My daughter's extra storage is here. Yeah, this is bedroom number 2. So this is another good sized room here. When the children were here, we put the beds in the corner and then they would have plenty of room to play, etc. Another 5 pieces of furniture, good sized closet, 2 windows again. So a very nice second bedroom with the chair rail, etc. Now I've seen bunk beds in here, and actually there's extra electrical sockets and TV outlets and phone jacks for an office setup. Let's head to the basement. Oh, we've got a room before we get to the basement. Family room, TV room, and I love it because if the kids are in here playing, you can hear from your kitchen what's going on if they're watching the wrong thing on TV or fighting or whatever. We do have 2 tables in here right now. You can just get an idea for how big this room is. And here is the little seating area off the family room. All these, we got 3 windows in here, all with the 2-inch blinds. And here's the laundry room. We have some extra storage in here, the energy saver washer and dryer. Okay, we're going to head to the lower level, the fourth level of the house here. We have another coat closet area. This is a very nice room to steer guests to, the powder room, or it does have a full bath, so you can use this as a bedroom. We've got some nice storage in here, laundry hamper space. As you come on down to the lower level, we've got space for suitcases. And this room is newly finished in August and September 2018. New flooring, new walls, new recessed lighting. Of course, all the electrical is upgraded in here. It's really comfortable. It's not particularly cold or whatever. The fireplace is painted. And then we do have the nice big cedar closet. So for a while, my husband and I used this as the master bedroom when we had the 3 kids upstairs. Another new improvement is the sump pump with the battery backup, so you don't have to worry about storms and power outages in the area. From this room, we can step here. This is some extra storage, another closet, lots of room for storage. And then back here to the furnace is about 3 years old. There we go. So, thanks for coming to visit 7910 Greeley Boulevard. Lots of space in the house. Great, really convenient area. The school is right across the street. So literally it's like a 3-minute walk, 5-minute walk to the elementary school. The buses stop there for the middle school, 1 block away for high school, and right in front for express bus to the Pentagon, where you can also catch the metro into DC. So we hope you pick this house, and call me or call your realtor if you have questions.